Welcome back. India has already topped its medal tally at the Tokyo Paralympics. We now have 7 medals, including gold medals from our para-athletes. Remember, these are athletes who may be facing adversities of the physical kind, but their determination knows no limit and they have proven their detractors wrong. That is the reason India today has teamed up with Thumbs Up in this campaign of Taane Palat De, where these athletes have shown that taunts and comments do not matter and you can bring glory to the nation. Take a look at this story.
It's raining medals for India in Tokyo. Avni Lekhara opened the campaign for India with a gold in shooting, and Sumit Until rounded off the day with a second gold for the country in javelin throw.
He threw 68.08.
Sumit, who lost his left leg in 2015, threw the spear to an incredible distance of 68.55 meters to set a new world record and secured his place at the top of the podium.
Just spectacular throwing.
Almost 6 meters he betted.
Earlier in the day, Avni, who's been on a wheelchair since 2012 after a car accident, was determined to prove herself as a para-athlete and shot a sensational qualification round before clinching a gold in the final of the 10-meter air rifle.
मैं पिछले 5 साल से I was just looking forward to represent India in Paralympics. I was not at all thinking about medal or where I am in the medal tally. I was just taking one shot at a time, and now I'm feeling like I'm on top of the world, and this feeling is inexplainable.
After the disappointment from shooters at the Tokyo Olympics, India finally has a shooting gold from Tokyo, and this comes from the Paralympic Games. But this was just the start. Yogesh Kathunia also joined the bandwagon, winning a silver medal in discus throw with a best show of 44.38 meters. India's most accomplished Paralympian, Devendra Jhajria, won India's 4th silver medal at these games. The 2-time gold medalist pulled off a 2nd place finish in javelin throw with a personal best of 64.35 meters to show a thumbs down to his naysayers and add to his legacy even at the age of 40.
आज इस दुनिया में मेरे पिताजी नहीं है, खैर आज 8 महीने हो गए उनको, लेकिन उनका सपना था कि मैं मेडल की हैट्रिक लगाऊं। आज जहां कहीं भी हैं वो जरूर वो देख रहे हैं, और आज मैंने उनका वो सपना पूरा किया। इसके लिए मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया था, घर छोड़ दिया, परिवार छोड़ दिया इस मेडल के लिए।
Sundar Singh Gujjar won a bronze in the same event with 64.07 meters to fulfill his dream that he saw years ago before he lost his left hand in an accident. India have now easily breached their best ever performance at the Paralympics. India has sent its biggest ever contingent, and not just the strength of the contingent, but also the spirit of these athletes to face adversities and come out on top gives hope that there are many more medals to come. Sports Bureau, India Today.